everyone, Bethany here with Atlantic Flag and Pole, and we are so excited to celebrate Veterans Day with fellow patriots all across this great nation. And this Veterans Day, we are offering a very special Veterans Day bundle. And this flag that we're including is one of my absolute favorites, and I'm going to show you exactly why. So included in this bundle, you're going to get the Phoenix Telescoping Flagpole, the best-selling flagpole in the industry. It's got that anodized finish. Of course, it's got the beautiful black bronze color, or you can get the classic silver. It's going to come with the beautiful 4x6 American flag made right here in the great US of A, embroidered stars. It's got the Solar Max nylon, so it's going to be a fade-resistant flag. It also comes with this beautiful second flag, the Support Our Troops flag. And I'm going to take it down and pull it out a little bit here so that you can take a closer look. Because I want you to be able to see this up close. You're going to see exactly why it's one of my favorite flags. In our Support Our Troops flag, you see that famous statue. You see the Support Our Troops words right to the side, and even another American flag on the print. This is a 3x5, also fade resistant flag, so the colors are going to remain brilliant and beautiful. This is a $46 value flag that we are including for free in our Veterans Day bundle. So this is a second flag that does not typically come in our Phoenix Telescoping Flagpole kit. It is special only for this Veterans Day. In addition, you're going to get free shipping. So that is a minimum savings of about $70 just on the Veterans Day bundle. So you'll get the American flag, you'll get a 3x5 Support Our Troops flag, you're going to get the beautiful gold ball ornament on the top. You're going to get also our ground sleeve installation kit, everything you need to get your beautiful flagpole installed in the ground. You're also going to get our anti-theft Security Sure locking device, which is paired with our anti-theft warranty. And included in all of this is our lifetime warranty on the Phoenix Flagpole itself, the best warranty in the industry. So free shipping, a minimum savings of $70 on this bundle. You'll get that second Support Our Troops flag, a $46 savings, and we're going to give you $100 off. So not only are you getting the savings of purchasing one of our very popular bundles, but we're also going to let you take $100 off the top of that. So you're looking at well over $200 savings if you go ahead and take advantage of our Veterans Day special. And of course, we are excited to celebrate veterans all across America. So I hope that you guys go ahead and get your flag flying high and show your support of our fellow men and women in service.